Basically, the debate is over whether some low-level misdemeanor cases should be prosecuted. Buddha Beberai says she wants her office to focus more on serious crimes.
In a one-on-one interview with WUSA 9 last week, she said she wants law enforcement to prosecute some of the charges instead. But tonight, our Matthew Torres is hearing from the county's public defender, who is criticizing this move.
That memo said by today, the Loudoun County Commonwealth's Attorney's Office won't participate in traffic and low-level crimes because it's, quote, inundated. The execution of this plan has since been put on hold as they're still working on getting feedback. But at last check, law enforcement agencies have yet to hear from the office.
I think it's a bad idea.
Among the critics is Loudoun County Public Defender Lori O'Donnell, who tonight says this memo to reprioritize who prosecutes some misdemeanor cases could harm clients. Commonwealth's Attorney Buddha Beberai wants her office to focus more on trying serious and violent crimes instead.
If we have a client with mental health issues, substance abuse issues, or other extenuating circumstances, if there's no prosecutor involved, there's no intermediary for us to go to present this information.
The prosecutor's December memo saying her office has been inundated with more trials and body cam footage. The proposal, leave lower level crimes and traffic offenses to the courts, requiring law enforcement to present the case.
Officers' training has already taken place through their own agencies. Right? They teach them through their mock trials, through their academies, how to put on a case and how to testify in court. We're here in the event that they want some additional information or some additional training.
O'Donnell, whose office has 12 defenders, worries about bias.
With all due respect to law enforcement, how can they look at it objectively to see whether or not, the prosecution's there, whether or not they violated the laws or violated a constitutional right, even on a misdemeanor? I don't think it's fair to them, and I don't think it's fair to our clients.
She and other county officials didn't learn about the memo until last week, and some are still waiting to speak to Beberai. But to them, it's still unclear what the full scope of the impact will look like. Beberai says it's not an uncommon practice for police to already be involved in court cases, but she stresses this does not mean criminals won't be held accountable. No matter the charge, they will still face prosecution.